Hello my friends, I just want to let you know that I have a small change on my blog on how you download my templates. As you know, until now I just upload a video, and after the video I post the blog post and share the one link for the file you download. But I decided to have everything in one post. Will be sorted alphabetically and much easier to find. It will go on the Dropbox, then you can just download. All the explanation is here. And also I want to mention that I will have a website. I'm not sure when, but I will have a website and a web shop where I will be selling my templates. Some of them will be free, some of them will be paid. Obviously the ones that take a lot of time to make, I will sell, but they will not be expensive. And next one is the Twitter account. I will be active here, and I will share all my work and updates sometimes. Also, I have a Patreon account here, as you can see, but I will not use until I get more than 1000 subscribers on YouTube. At this point it just makes no sense to have it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.